This conference will now be recorded.
Hello DBS, welcome to our YouTube channel Oracle Ride. So today is the ninth session of my Oracle 19c RAC series. So let's begin the session. So today I will discuss about the cluster ready services technology stack. So the cluster ready services technology stack leverages several processes to manage various services, and it has many processes. So I will discuss one by one. So the first one is cluster ready services, that is CRS. So the primary program for managing high availability operation in a cluster. So the CRSD manage cluster resources based on the configuration information that is stored in OCR for each resource. So this includes start, stop, monitor, and failover operations. And the CRSD process generates events when the status of a resource change. So when you have Oracle RAC installed, the CRSD process monitors the Oracle database instance, listener, and so on, and also automatically restart these components whenever failure occurs. Okay, so please remember this point. Second process is CSS, that is cluster synchronization services. So it will manage the cluster configuration by controlling which nodes are members of the cluster, and by notifying members when a nodes join or leaves the cluster. Okay, so if you are using a third party clusterware which should be certified, then CSS process interface with your clusterware to manage node membership information. So the CSSD agent process monitors the cluster and provides IO fencing. So this service formerly was provided by Oracle Process Monitor Daemon, that is OPROC D, you can say, also known as Aura Fence service on Windows. So a CSSD agent failure may result in Oracle clusterware restarting the node actually. Okay, so that is the second things. And the third is Oracle ASM, which provides disk management for Oracle clusterware and Oracle database. So this is the Oracle proprietary, which is used for storage purpose. So that is recommended, and it is bundled with grid infrastructure when you install grid software. And the next process is basically is the CTSS, which is called as cluster time synchronization service. So it provides the time management in a cluster for Oracle clusterware. And uh, the next process is event management. So that is EVM. So event management is a background process that publishes events that Oracle clusterware creates. So whenever any events created by Oracle clusterware, it will publish by this process. Okay, so this is another background process. Okay, and the next thing is GNS. Okay, so that is grid naming services. So it handles requests sent by external DNS servers, performing name resolution for names defined by the cluster. So DNS server basically resolve the names and all. So that process will perform name resolutions actually, which is defined by the cluster. Okay, and the next process is Aura agent. So this process basically extends clusterware to support Oracle specific requirements and complex resources. So this process runs several server callout scripts when fan events occur. So this process was known as RAC-G in Oracle Clusterware 11.1. So that was the earlier name actually. And the now next process is ONS, which is Oracle Notification Service. So this process basically a publish and subscribe services for communicating fan events. Fan means fast application notification. And the last process, which is Aura root agent, that is a specialized Aura agent process that helps the CRSD manage resources owned by root, such as the network and the grid virtual IP addresses. Okay, so the CSS, EVM, ONS components communicate with other clusterware components layer on other nodes in the same cluster database environment. So these components are also the main communication links between Oracle database application and the Oracle clusterware high availability components. Okay, so in addition, these background processes monitor and manage database operations actually. Okay, so that's it from my side for today's session. I hope this will add you some value in your skills. I hope you know that, but for revision purpose, I'm creating this so that people can, those people knows this, they can revise that, and those people don't know, they can upgrade their skills. Okay, so thank you very much once again. And one request to all of my subscriber and my non-subscriber: if you are my non-subscriber, then subscribes to our YouTube channel Oracle Ride. So whenever I'm uploading any video, you will get the notification. And those who are my existing subscriber, please don't forget to like, comment, and share. If you do this, it will motivate me. So thanks again for being here and happy learning. Bye.